Hey guys, it's me, Wolf Plays, coming back at y'all with another video on my channel. Today, we're opening the Scream Team Pack for 500 FIFA points. So, hopefully we get an elite. I hope so. Wow, there are loads of items. Oh, good striker, he's an update for my team. He isn't, not that good. Not that good. Oh, 72 center back. Oh, there's the one. The 76 rated. Wait, what? Scream Team Edition. Player gain a 13 overall boost between. Yo! He's going up to an 89. What the hell? Wow. Let's see how much he's worth. Wait, what is that? No. So, Barisha, I think. I hope I know how to write his name. And the loading issues again. Wait. Barisha. 76. 7k only? How are his stats looking like? Oh, speed is alright. Strength is pretty good. Heading, not that bad. Shot power, bit low. Finishing is pretty good, but I don't know if I want to keep him. He worth like a check his lowest price. 9.3. Still 9.3, 8.3, 7.5 bid. He goes for around 7.5k, but go to the planes right now. I think I need to wait. I could use him here. What do I get here? Trade in any. That's not worth it, right? I don't think so, actually. But you can correct me in the comments down below if that is worth it or not. But for now, I want to finish the David Luiz. Wait, you need 8 gold. And that means you need 6 silvers. Damn. Sheesh. Do I want it though? I think I'll keep him as my striker for now. And yeah, I'm not that sure. Is he good? Wow, he has a super good long shot. Gurnd, or what his name is. His long shot's not that good, but I think I'll play him right here. Hopefully our attack goes up in rating. Yes, it does. I don't want to get rid of him because he's super good. So, but what are his stats compared? What? Finishing is way higher. Shot power a bit lower. My long shot's not that good. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah, use him for him. Do we go up? No. But, yeah. Do we get any midfield upgrades? No. Defense? No. So I think I will sell the rest. And, yeah. Or no, I'm not selling those right now, I think. Let's play a bit attack mode. I gained a few fans from the last episode, but it's getting super hard to win. But actually it's not looking that bad, but no one plays against me anymore. I don't know why. So yeah, let's play a few games against some guys. Let's go against Manu. And yeah, I'm kinda happy with Barisha, I think. His overall was pretty good. His stats not that bad either, but yeah, I don't know how he plays, and I need to get the sets. the set done for David Luiz. Whoa, what a terrible shot. Because he's a super good center defensive mid and his rating goes up to, oh, nice goal. I think to a 96, I think. I'm not sure. And but not for the whole time. For 28th of October to 31st of October. I don't know, guys. So now let's score some goals in this head-to-head drive. I think I crossed it. Yep, he's open. What the hell was that? Like, seriously, man. The fuck was that? No, that was terrible. Yep, not good. So let's sprint down the lane and cross it in. Oh, that was a nice cross and nice header from Daverson. I still don't know how to pronounce his name. So let's go. Miguel Rosa. Great cross, Icardi. My plan actually was to get the bundle for 2,000 Madden cash, but I realized I don't have I think $20 anymore on my Google Play thingy. So yeah, but I look forward to get it. So stay tuned for that. And nice header again. I score most of my goals with crosses. It's pretty easy to score like that. See, yeah. Now when I say it's super easy, I completely mess it up. Awesome. Now, oh, another free kick. Lol, look at the time. 44-44. Now let's hit it. Oh, that was kind of good, but nah. Still not good enough. Come on. Miguel Rosa. Running down the lane. Cross it in. Oh, that was super nice cross. And he finishes it. Icardi. Icardi is super good. But, oh, I think for the next game I try out Berisha. Stats weren't that bad. Wait, did we gain 13,000 fans? Wow. Nice. Now let's see. Let's put him in for Ninga. Now, that's a bit dumb, but so now we did it. But I need to get rid of him for the, what is it called, for the David Luiz. Or please write players down in the comments, like gold and silver Scream Team players, so I can put them into the plan. It would help me a lot, guys. Appreciate it if you do name some players in the comments. So yeah. Now, he's not that fast. Like, long shot. Oh, I think his long shot is better than it is named, I think, on the card. Oh, nice finish. Super good finish. Now, let's go. Montez. Why is my center back crossing, man? I don't understand. That was a bad cross. What? That was confusing. Like, cross it right now? Oh, that's not that bad. Oh, still can't get the ball against Booby. Okay, now let's go in and finesse it. Oh, the crossbar, but Icardi finishes. Man, Berisha is super good. Man, Icardi. Oh my God. Awesome goal. Wow. See, bam. Nice. Now let's wait for Berisha. Where is he? Oh, that is Daverson. Berisha was behind him. Bam. Come on. I I will not even try to pass it, so let's just shoot. Come on. Is that Berisha? Not. That's offside, yep. Nice. Cardi to Berisha. Oh, nice finishing. Super good. Nice. His card is so good, guys. Come on, Gerhard. Yes. 5-0. Guys, we're destroying that guy. He's getting wrecked. Here's Berisha. Come on. No. Pass it to Berisha. What? Is that Berisha? Yeah, right? Now let's shoot. Ah, not a good shot. But it's over. 5-0. Let's see how much fans we gained. I think like 10k. And we gained 15,000. Oh my god. That is awesome. So guys, I think I may get the bundle for you guys, or maybe 2. Oops, I did not mean to click on that. Let's go to the store. I think it's 2,000 for each bundle. Yeah. Let's go here. I may get the thingy for 50 euros. It's not dollars because I live in Germany, so yeah. I think I get that for 5,750 FIFA points. So that would mean... Wait, what? Wait, what? That is super dumb. I need to... Wait, I need to pay like 75 bucks. Or not it, that is dumb. I need to pay 60 bucks to get 3 bundles. What I can do is 2 bundles and the rest 1,700 FIFA points and Pro Packs. I think I might do that. I'm not that sure if I will, but most likely I will do that, so stay tuned for that. It is me, Wolf Place. See you guys. Peace.